Welcome my friends back to another review. Today we are looking at the ID print, or the iDPRT for print, SP320. This is a thermal label printer. We're going to go ahead and open up the box and show you everything you get inside. First off, they give you a CD, a manual, they give you some labels, power supply, and power cables. This is the unit itself, and on both sides you're going to have this little button. If you press it, you're going to be able to pop open the unit. Inside here you can see it shows you how to properly place the labels, and you can pull this out. Make sure you place it back in how you pulled it out. Easy access, so if there's any jamming you can just simply lift this up. Power button on the top here. We went ahead and placed everything in here. You guys can line it up how you want. You can easily adjust this based off of your needs. So pull that one back, pull the other one in tighter, depending on how your needs are going to be. And that's what it looks like, my friends. Go through the motions and set it all up. Follow the manual, and you guys are good to go. That is what the unit looks like.